In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a date to text in Microsoft Excel. We'll keep this simple and clear. The goal is to take a real Excel date and display it as plain text in a specific format, so it always looks the same no matter how the cell is formatted. This is helpful when you need a consistent, shareable date string for labels, exports, or reports. First, click a cell where you want the text version of the date to appear. It's best to choose an empty cell so your original date stays intact for any calculations you might need later. Next, type the formula exactly like this. Equals text. Then select the cell that contains your date, type a comma, then a double quote, YYYY, another double quote, and a closing parenthesis. When read aloud, that's equals text, open parenthesis, your date cell, comma, double quote, DD, dash, MMM, dash, YYYY, double quote, close parenthesis. For example, if your date is in A2, it would look like text, A2, DD. Here's what each piece means. The text function converts a value into text based on the format you provide. DD shows the day with a leading 0 when needed, like 05. Shows the month as a 3-letter abbreviation, like Jan, Feb, or Mar. And Y forces a 4-digit year, like 2026. The dashes are just literal separators to make the result read as 05 Jan 2026. If you ever want a different look, you can change the format string. For example, would spell out the full month name. But for this tutorial, we're using DD. Now press Enter. You should see the date displayed as text in the exact format you specified. It may align to the left by default, which is a quick hint that it's plain text rather than a numeric date. If you click the cell and look at the formula bar, you'll still see the text formula, and the displayed result won't change even if the cell's number format changes. That's the key benefit. A couple of helpful notes. Because the result is text, you won't be able to use it directly for date math or timeline calculations. Keep the original date cell if you need to sort by date or compute differences. Also, the month abbreviations follow your Excel language and regional settings, so they may appear in your local language. Finally, this same approach works for any date cell reference. You're simply pointing text to the date you want to convert, and that's it. Click a cell, type the text formula with the DD format, and press Enter to convert your date to a clean, consistent text string.